Connecting India to the world, Gujarat has been at the forefront of driving the growth index of the country. A strong and stable economy, coupled with Government of Gujarat's proactive and investor-friendly policies, have resulted in Gujarat emerging as a global business hub, in line with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of a self-reliant India, and led by the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Bhupendra Patel. The state's conducive business environment has attracted investment from leading industrial giants, making it the manufacturing hub of the country. The state is an industrial paradise with its all-inclusive, sustainable development model, huge reservoirs of skill and knowledge, and vast business and investment potential. Gujarat is a leader in industrial sectors such as chemicals, petrochemicals, dairy, drugs and pharmaceuticals, gems and jewelry, textiles and engineering.
आज भारत पर सेमीकंडक्टर इंडस्ट्री को भरोसा है क्योंकि हमारे पास मासिव टैलेंट पूल है। भारत का लगातार बढ़ता स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम भी सेमीकंडक्टर सेक्टर को मजबूती देने वाला है। सेमीकंडक्टर इंडस्ट्री के लिए रेड कारपेट बिछा रहा है।
Guided by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, under the decisive leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Gujarat is evolving as the preferred destination for semiconductor and electronics ecosystem. With the launch of Gujarat Semiconductor Policy 2022-27 and Gujarat Electronics Policy 2022-28, Gujarat became the first state to announce a dedicated policy for the semiconductor sector, specially crafted to suit the requirements of the industries and to propel Gujarat onto the global semiconductor supply chains. The policy is structured to guide and facilitate investments to make Gujarat the semiconductor manufacturing capital of India. Gujarat is also the first state to have a dedicated mission for the semiconductor and electronics sector, the Gujarat State Electronics Mission, GSEM, which functions as a single window clearance system for the investors. Under the vision of Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Gujarat is developing a well-connected semi-con city in Dholera SIR to enable a robust semiconductor and display manufacturing ecosystem. The Gujarat Semiconductor Policy has been very well received by the industry. Micron Technology Inc. signed MOU with Government of Gujarat. American semiconductor manufacturing giant Micron Technology Inc., which has chosen Gujarat as its destination to set up the country's first assembly, test, marking and packaging ATMP facility in GIDC Sanand Industrial Estate 2. With a vision to establish a thriving semiconductor ecosystem through transparent and proactive policy support, excellent industrial infrastructure, ease of doing business and a vibrant skill pool, Gujarat now partners with Government of India and welcomes the leaders of the semiconductor industry sector to second edition of Semicon India. Welcome to Gujarat, India's gateway to Silicon. Swagatam.